Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Golf 8 R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in pure white. It features the 1.5 eTSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with that 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a full Volkswagen service history. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you benefit from these LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side, these 17-inch alloy wheels are finished off the exterior perfectly. You've also got optionally fitted power folding Hink wing mirrors, as well as privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space also available with split folding seats, including a low through hatch for any longer items, and also that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Inside you've got the signature R-Line upholstery with the part cloth, leather and Alcantara. And towards the front there's a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, alongside the adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Just behind the wheels, a full digital display housing your vital driving information and also their heated steering wheel. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got background lighting available to help brighten up the interior while driving at night, with a huge range of different colours to choose from and also some preset light themes. There's plenty of assistance systems on board to help keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including emergency braking and much more. And to help with parking as well as front and rear parking sensors, you'll also benefit from that optionally fitted rear view camera. There's multiple driving modes also available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive. And moving a little bit further down the cabin, there's plenty of storage on offer with wireless phone charging and a couple more USB-C ports. You've also got your keyless start there as well. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.